Up next on the Tesla Plaid channel.
Thunderbird looks like a pro mod. All right, this guy's got to be deep into the fives. Florida man is here tonight. Showtime Dragstrip, April 13th, 2022. We got Oscar in the 69 big block Camaro. We got that black G-body. We got Larry and Mike Barber in their Cougar. And Don is back out here with his Nitrous Nova. Haven't seen him in a few weeks. He had a major failure a couple months ago. Looks like he's got it fixed. We need to line up with the Cougar tonight since our last pass got screwed on the wrong tree. They gave us a pro tree. How's it going, Larry?
Coming out of here.
It's not your birthday again tonight, is it? Good old mechanical timing here on this Cougar. Alright, looks like Larry doesn't want to let me catch this on camera, so I got to take what I can get here. I need a better reaction if I'm going to win this. I got him. I got him. There you go. Well, it wasn't the race I wanted, but if it had been an awesome race and I didn't get it on the GoPros, I would have been disappointed as well. So we'll see if he's able to make another run back to back. He usually likes to cool it off for 10 to 20 minutes. Looked like I had a decent reaction time, which is what I knew I needed against that car, because he's always 00 or 01. Hey, Tom!
601, 120. Look at that 330.
Oh, nice, 396. That's one of the few times that I had a better reaction time than Larry in that Cougar.
Yeah.
Because he's almost always good for a 00 or an 01. And I had an 02 to his 03. I wish he'd gotten a good pass out of it, because that could have been close. But I'll take that 601 all day long, especially for the first pass of the night.
Especially that 396.
Yeah, tell me about it.
You know?
And 147 to the 60 foot. So if I can get that pass again, there's no run he can put together that'll beat me. There's no way.
Well, I mean, he was running
621.
Yeah, 620. You know, he cut 3/10 off.
With 00 reactions too.
Yeah.
So I know what I got to be under. You know, reaction plus ET under 620. All right, I'll see you, Tom. All right, that's a great first run. All those that keep putting in the comments, every video I post, a couple people, oh, your car's getting slower, your car's. That's a 601 at 120.3 miles an hour, 0.02 of a second off our best ever pass of 599. We're on the Pirelli P Zeros tonight. These are the stock tires on the stock 19-inch rims. I'm sure Larry's going to come back with a better pass than that one. And when he does, we've got the formula to beat him. I still can't believe he took us by 000 2 weeks ago. But hey, it was his birthday. I had to give him something. Hey, it's Pinto Pete tonight. Always like seeing Pinto Pete out here. I've been trying to get next to this blue Camaro for a little while now. It might just be my imagination, but almost feel like he's avoiding me. We'll know here in a second.
You don't want to run here.
Not with just starting to spray it.
No problem.
Let's see who they send. Hate to make a solo pass here, but all right, we got somebody. This Mustang's Looks like he's on a Mickey Thompson.
Oh, I was hoping this Camaro back here with the raised hood was gonna come. But I guess he doesn't want anything to do with the Plaid.
We just got to peak performance ready. We're at 93% now. We were about 95 when we made that first pass. All right. See what we can do here.
603 at 120 for Andrew with the Tesla Plaid channel.
Pretty slow reaction, but I was trying to get deeper into launch control. The way we came out of that gate with that 601 on the first pass, those of you that follow the channel will remember that the time we ran a 599, that wasn't our first or second pass, that was our fifth pass of that night. So the car gets a little bit faster as it heat soaks, especially on a warm night like this, 84 degrees out now. If I wanted to cut another 599, the way to do that would be to make a couple other quick passes back to back. Winds up meaning solo passes, and I don't want to make solo passes, I want to go down with cars. That's what I'm here for.
603.
603.
398. 330.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Tom. All right, on that second pass, we ran a 603 at 120.3, 0.234 reaction. I wasn't too concerned about the Mustang next to us, although he had half our reaction time, 0.12, so he's good on the tree. 147, 60 foot, and 398 to half track, so the car's really performing. If we want to run a 5, now's the time to do it, while everything's as warm as it is. Hopefully someone fast will come around the corner, we get the best of both worlds. A fast competitor and a potentially a 599 run.
All right, we got Andrew with the Tesla Plaid and the Cadillac. Is this a CTS? Yeah, CTS.
This Cadillac is sounding really good out here tonight. I haven't seen his times, but we'll find out here in a second. We're peak performance ready, Dragstrip mode, 91%, battery state of charge. The track is feeling good, the car's running fast. That Cadillac's sounding good, but I don't know if it's got enough tire based on what I'm seeing from here.
The Caddy doesn't have enough. Andrew goes 604 at 120.
That's got to be another low 6.0. Track feels good. I haven't felt any tire slip at all tonight.
604.
604.
399. 330.
Huh. Track feels good.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be a little faster. We'll see. Thanks, Tom. So that third pass was a 604 at 120.4. A little more mile an hour. We are 120.3 on the other two passes, and 148 to 60 foot. The other two passes were 147. 399 a half track. The Cadillac ran a 7.4 at 101 mile an hour. That's awesome mile an hour for that Cadillac to be running. That's as fast as our 2019 Tesla Raven was running, right around 100 miles an hour. Oh yeah. Thunderbird looks like a pro mod for the most part. That's all up. The size of these slicks. Hell yes, it's fast. Alright, this guy's got to be deep into the 5s, probably the 4s, if I had to guess, mid to high 4s. Those of you that have watched the channel for a while know I'll go down against just about anybody. And I fully expect this guy to eat our lunch. I don't know if it's going to be a Pro Tree or not. I wouldn't be surprised if it was. I don't see PT on his window. I'm too deep. Crap.
Ooh, that T-Bird goes 585 of 117. Takes out Andrew with the Tesla Plaid channel.
I could not get into launch mode there, you guys heard it. Might have helped us if we could have. Looks like we were only 2-3 tenths behind him. Well, that was unfortunate. Our worst pass of the night against a car that, if we'd had that previous pass, the 601 with the O2 reaction, we'd have had a fighting chance. I'm not exactly sure what that guy ran. Might have been a 590. Let's hope we get a full ticket here and find out. My worst pass of the night.
615, 119.
Yeah. Did I have any chance at all? Let's see here.
No, you didn't even have a chance.
586, but he left 2 tenths on the tree, so that would have been 605 was his total. And remember, I had that 601 with an O2 reaction earlier, which would have been 603. So if I put my best pass next to it, that would have been a race. Well, how unfortunate was that? So he ran a 586 at 117.8, which on the surface, it's like, well, the Tesla's not going to touch that. But his reaction time of 196, add those numbers together, and that's a 605. Well, we ran a 601 with an O2 reaction, which would have been a 603 down the track, which would have beat his 605 down the track if we could have put our better pass together next to him. But we couldn't get into launch control, so that cost us about a tenth. We're down to 88% battery charge now. And my reaction time as I was stumbling with that stupid launch control was a super miserable 0.299, so 0.3 of a second. That's all right. We'll put together a better pass for next time. Larry, you making a pass?
Second wall of the house.
Yeah, let's get lined up. Are you good with the right lane?
Let me get out of your way so you can pull shit.
Right lane, okay? Okay. All right, we're gonna line up with Larry.
That's the one of them cars going.
We ran this green Mustang a couple weeks ago. In gear. That was close. That was close. He was in gear, he surged forward, almost hit the Cougar. Glad he didn't. You were in gear. That could have been pretty bad. You were in gear there when you
I know, right? Yeah, you had me in the camera too. I'm like, oh shit, he had me in the camera too. Yeah,
I was making you nervous is what it was.
No, we jacked it up.
Yeah.
We were working on it to see the wheel, and I forgot it on a freaking gear. It doesn't have indicator, that's why.
Yeah. I knew that from last time. You were having problems between 1 and 2.
I bought a new shifter, I just got to install it. That's it.
Yeah. Will it have an indicator?
Yeah.
All right, even better.
Here comes the Cougar, and we got Andrew with the Tesla Plaid lining up next to it.
All right, we need a good pass here, and we need our tires to be dry. So thankfully, Waterbox dude is clearing it out for us. Just came into peak performance ready.
Fouls out there.
I think I was staged just a little bit too deep is what that was. I left at the right time, but the car was just a little bit too close to the starting line, so it tripped the red light. Double O, dang it. 608, 120, and 009. I staged that far too deep, and that's what it was. Dope. 608 at 120.7. The Cougar ran 633 at 109. He had an 04 reaction, so I pushed it too much on the reaction, especially since we had him by a quarter of a second. 608 to 633 is 0.25 difference, so I didn't need to cut it that close. But that's drag racing for you. You lose a race by 000, and then you push your reaction a little bit to the edge, and you red light. Fun race nonetheless. I'd rather have it be close like that than our previous run where we were 10 car lengths apart. All right, Larry.
Are you nervous up there?
Hey, I got that double O reaction I needed against you.
Right, the other way.
Right there.
I was sleeping
Wrong
and
side.
you went crazy.
Hey, double O. I'll take double.
Yeah.
Wrong side of
I
double
started
O.
to put that much pressure on you.
You know, we had a quarter second between our ETs. I didn't need to push it. You were 633 to my 608.
Right. I had a 140 something, 142 60 foot, and you were down in the trees.
Which is terrible for
Like
him.
136.
Yeah, I know your passes haven't been so good, the ones I've seen. Have you had any 620s tonight?
Yeah.
You did have some in between?
Yeah.
Okay, those must have been when I was recharging or something.
The last run was a 622.
622 again.
Yeah, the one before this one.
Right, but you still haven't hit the 621 again that you hit
No.
the other night.
22.
Yeah, man.
Well, that was my birthday. That was special, dude.
Hey, that could be
Special
the
day.
that could be the weather.
All the
It could be,
stars
you
lined
know.
up.
Yeah,
It did.
Got too much heat in the tires.
And the other night
much
we
heat.
had a northbound
Only
wind
third-
too.
I was only third
We
year.
did.
No,
We did.
That looked good. You should give it to that guy to drive next.
They may not
Well,
come back.
You guys making any more passes tonight? You gotta make one more.
He ain't on the trailer.
Third year.
That's right. Larry, you're gonna make another pass, right?
He was still, he soaked from the
All right.
I need my redemption.
Well, let's think about this. We're 1-1 tonight, right? I took the first race and you won that one. He's done that red light. But hey, a win's a win, so we're 1-1. We got to get the tiebreaker.
Sorry to appreciate it like that.
You ran the red light.
Shoot, we missed the Cougar. We really wanted that best 2 out of 3 run, but he made a run while I was going down with the Charger. Larry!
Okay, this ain't tight, so.
Hey, we were supposed to make our pass.
You had to go play with the Hellcat.
The kitty. I had to play with the kitty for a second. I thought we were gonna make it 2 out of 3, man. We gotta do 2 out of 3. We always get 2 runs. We always split 2 runs.
I'm an old guy. Gotta go home.
You're good for 2.
Bed, you know.
Rent the track sometime and we can do it all day long.
I told him.
That's right.
All right, well, Larry, we'll do it next week.
All right,
And we'll do 3 next week. 3 next week. 3 next week.
Take care.
Cougar just rolled in on a trailer as always. How you doing, Larry?
Very good.
Still 620?
I don't know. Just got together a few minutes ago.
Oh, I like the sound of that. I think we found Florida Man. Florida Man is here tonight. All right, first run tonight, we're gonna run the Cougar. We're in drag strip mode, peak performance ready. Good on the light, so I can't give him anything on the tree here. All right, we're in. We're preparing for launch. Ways to win, where the other car leaves early and I still drive around him. Good fun. Since I haven't been to the track in the last couple of weeks, I was concerned my reaction time wouldn't be so hot, but I'll take that 04. That's enough to get the job done.
607, 120. You beat him by 0.19.
That's a good first pass. All right. So last time Larry was out here in the Cougar, he was running 620s. He's a little off. He ran a 631 at 108.1. We ran a 607 at 120.00. We're on the Pirellis tonight, the stock 19-inch tires and wheels. But for a first pass, we'll take that 607 because you had that 04 reaction, and that's only 611 all the way down the track. And that Cougar's never run 611. I think his best, like 620. We're having a hard time finding any kind of competitive races out here tonight, and I'm not feeling so great, so we'll pack it in, save the rest for next time. We'll see you again right here on the Tesla Plaid channel.
Next on the Tesla Plaid channel.
We're going to be racing this Ferrari F8 Tributo next. There's also a Audi R8 twin turbo. All right, this Plaid here is completely gutted with a partial cage going.